Uh-huh. Yeah, told me, uh, sometimes I just want to just throw it out. But the only thing that'll stop me from killing her now is my conscience telling me to hold out, think about the kids before you bug out. Do something dumb like when you gonna blow the bitch right out, doesn't mean so if you understand me. It's like I gave up all my love and now she that was bringing me pain. Like, man, nobody knows the game. Know the game. Look, I don't wanna be got no kenzy my low Noah. Look, man, you need to know that I'm trying to be the father that you love behind. Trying to be the one you could turn to the look up. Tell them, hey, don't my dog, don't my dog. And every time I see you smile, I get up and I come. Most of the time I look at you and I see a little me and you, so I'm hoping that they do not want to be that. I don't want you to be like me, but see the things I'm saying about someone, so no, please don't get me mine no more. See, Logan's the only young boy, and Noah, he grew out to be, I mean, he only 11 years old, high school. Look, man, need to know, high school, and the money trying to tell you that I'm going to be like, see, I really need to know if you know about me. It's too long. It's out of me. I will be the only one you turn to. When you falling down, when you can come around from the mall, just me, you final call me died, but look, mine died. If I treat you out of it, you were my son. But just because of no danger, if I didn't know just, but I lose my focus every time I see your mama still choking. Thinking that if I was with her, I would choke her, then put her in the river and let her float. So come with me and I'm gone. Yeah,